Are you tired of endless hand washing in a cramped kitchen? Countertop dishwashers are the perfect solution for small spaces and budget-conscious kitchens. These compact cleaning heroes offer the convenience of a full-sized dishwasher without the need for a remodel. In this video, we're diving into the top 9 countertop dishwashers of 2024, featuring top-rated brands like Silverware, BLACK+DECKER, and Danby. From sleek designs to powerful cleaning performance, there's a countertop dishwasher out there for everyone. Let's get started. Our first contender is the Danby 6-place setting countertop dishwasher, a shining example of compact efficiency. Imagine a stainless steel interior, known for its durability and resistance to stains and odors. Now picture 8 different wash cycles, allowing you to tailor the cleaning intensity to your needs. The Danby 6-place setting model boasts an LED display, providing a clear view of the selected cycle and remaining time. This dishwasher is perfect for individuals or couples living in small apartments, or anyone seeking a secondary dishwasher for delicate items. The sleek design seamlessly blends with modern kitchens, while its compact size allows for easy storage when not in use. Its efficient spray arm system ensures thorough water coverage, reaching every nook and cranny of your dishes. Even stubborn food residue doesn't stand a chance against this compact cleaning warrior. Say goodbye to the drudgery of hand washing and embrace the convenience of this compact cleaning companion. Upgrade your dishwashing experience today and experience the difference a compact yet powerful dishwasher can make in your life. Next up is the COMFEE Portable Mini Dishwasher Countertop, a game changer for parents and anyone short on space. Imagine a dishwasher so portable you can easily move it from the kitchen counter to your RV or even a friend's house. No plumbing? No problem. The COMFEE Portable Mini Dishwasher Countertop operates without the need for a permanent water hookup, thanks to its built-in water tank. Simply fill it up and you're ready to go. This feature makes it incredibly versatile, perfect for apartments with limited hookups or those who value portability. This dishwasher also features a dedicated sanitize option, ensuring your baby bottles and dishes are sparkling clean and free from harmful bacteria. Its compact size doesn't compromise its capacity, accommodating up to 6 standard place settings. The COMFEE Portable Mini Dishwasher Countertop proves that portability and performance can go hand in hand. Experience the freedom of a portable dishwasher and enjoy sparkling clean dishes wherever life takes you. Now let's talk about a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on features. The RCA Electronic Countertop Control Dishwasher. This dishwasher is a testament to the fact that you don't need to break the bank to enjoy the convenience of a dishwasher. The RCA Electronic Countertop Control Dishwasher boasts a variety of wash cycles, allowing you to customize the cleaning process based on your needs. From a quick rinse to a heavy-duty wash, you can tackle any dishwashing task with ease. Its user-friendly electronic controls make operation a breeze. Despite its affordable price point, the RCA Electronic Countertop Control Dishwasher doesn't compromise on cleaning performance. Its efficient spray arm system ensures thorough water coverage, effectively removing food residue and leaving your dishes sparkling clean. The compact size of the RCA Electronic Countertop Control Dishwasher makes it ideal for small kitchens, apartments, or RVs. Say goodbye to the hassle of hand washing and embrace the convenience of the RCA Electronic Countertop Control Dishwasher. Let's revisit the Danby Countertop Dishwasher 6-place setting SS interior. This model takes compact cleaning to the next level. It boasts a sleek design and stainless steel interior with key improvements. The redesigned spray arm delivers a powerful, focused water spray. An improved filter system captures food particles for a hygienic wash. It offers 6-place settings, perfect for small families. Upgrade your kitchen with the Danby Countertop Dishwasher. For the eco-conscious consumer, we present the Magic Chef Energy Star Certified Countertop Dishwasher. This model proves you don't have to choose between a clean kitchen and a clean planet. It combines efficient cleaning with eco-friendly features, reducing your environmental impact. The hygienic air drying function minimizes energy consumption. Designed to conserve water, it offers multiple wash cycles for efficient use. Choose the Magic Chef Energy Star Dishwasher for an eco-conscious choice. Families, rejoice! The BLACK+DECKER BCD6W Compact Countertop Dishwasher simplifies your life. Designed with families in mind, it offers practical features and ample space. It accommodates more plates than most standard models. Safety is paramount with a child safety lock. It excels in cleaning performance. Multiple wash cycles cater to various needs. Enjoy more quality time with the BLACK+DECKER BCD 6W. Step into the future of dishwashing with the Home Labs Digital Countertop Dishwasher, a perfect blend of sleek design and smart technology. This model is designed for the modern home, offering a seamless user experience and exceptional cleaning performance in a stylish package. The Home Labs Digital Countertop Dishwasher boasts a sleek modern design that complements any contemporary kitchen. Its digital display and intuitive controls make operation a breeze, while its compact size ensures it fits seamlessly into even the smallest kitchens. Its intelligent wash cycles utilize sensors to determine the optimal water usage and cycle duration based on the soil level of your dishes. Experience the future of dishwashing with the Home Labs Digital Countertop Dishwasher, where smart technology meets sleek design for an exceptional cleaning experience. Make a statement in your kitchen with this stylish and intelligent appliance, and enjoy the convenience of effortless dishwashing. Prepare to be amazed by the COMFEE Countertop Dishwasher, a testament to versatility and convenience. Designed for those who demand more from their appliances, it accommodates up to 70 pieces of cutlery, dinnerware, and glassware. Its clever racking system handles everything from delicate wine glasses to bulky pots and pans. Specialized cycles for baby care ensure hygienically cleaned bottles and dishes. Perfect for large families, frequent entertainers, or anyone who values versatility. Simplify your life with the COMFEE Countertop Dishwasher, the ultimate dishwashing companion. Elevate your dishwashing experience with the Silverware Professional Countertop Dishwasher, a model that brings professional-grade cleaning power to your kitchen. This dishwasher is designed for those who demand the best, offering exceptional performance, robust features, and the peace of mind that comes with a trusted brand. The Silverware Professional Countertop Dishwasher boasts an impressive 7 wash cycles, allowing you to customize the cleaning process to suit your needs. From a quick rinse for lightly soiled dishes to a heavy-duty wash for tackling baked-on food residue, this dishwasher can handle it all. The Silverware Professional Countertop Dishwasher features a child lock function, preventing accidental opening during operation and providing added peace of mind for families. Experience the difference professional-grade cleaning can make in your kitchen with the Silverware Professional Countertop Dishwasher. Its powerful performance, robust features, and sleek design make it the perfect choice for discerning homeowners who demand the best. Upgrade your kitchen today and enjoy the convenience of sparkling clean dishes without the hassle. Space-saving and efficient, the EdgeStar Portable Countertop Dishwasher is a perfect solution for those who value both form and function. This model is designed to seamlessly integrate into compact kitchens, offering powerful cleaning performance without sacrificing valuable counter space. The EdgeStar Portable Countertop Dishwasher is engineered for maximum efficiency, utilizing minimal water and energy without compromising cleaning power. Its innovative design and smart technology ensure that every drop of water is used effectively, making it an eco-conscious choice for the environmentally conscious consumer. Despite its compact size, the EdgeStar Portable Countertop Dishwasher offers ample space for your dishwashing needs. Maximize your kitchen space and minimize your environmental impact with the EdgeStar Portable Countertop Dishwasher. Upgrade your kitchen today and enjoy the freedom of a clutter-free countertop and sparkling clean dishes with the EdgeStar Portable Countertop Dishwasher. There you have it, our top picks for the best countertop dishwashers of 2024. From compact and efficient models perfect for small spaces to feature-rich options designed for families, there's a countertop dishwasher out there to fit every need and budget. Remember to consider your space limitations, washing frequency, and desired features when making your decision. Do you prioritize portability, baby-safe cleaning, or smart technology? No matter your needs, you can find the perfect countertop dishwasher at major retailers and online platforms. Say goodbye to the drudgery of hand washing and embrace the convenience of a countertop dishwasher. Happy dishwashing!